Hi there! Today we have the newly launched 43-inch Full HD View Cinema TV. The reason I'm excited about this one is it comes with 40-watt built-in soundbar, just like its bigger 4K sibling. Wow! Can you imagine those amazing speakers on this one? Can't wait to experience it, and I'm sure neither can you. So let's quickly unbox it, see what comes with it, and of course, how good it performs. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. On the box we can see the Cinema TV name. MRP on the side is 28,000, but don't worry, it's available for far lesser. Alright, let's open it. Inside the box is a user manual and a warranty card. This is an AV composite adapter for those who have set-top box that don't have HDMI cables. You can connect this and connect your set-top box with this. Then there are two stands and screws to mount the stands. Let's have a closer look at the stand. And it's pretty basic. It's not too great, not too bad. Very functional. It's got rubber at the bottom so it gets a good grip. No creaking sounds of the stand, so not bad either. Then you have a wall mount unit provided in the box. Let's open it up. And this is the wall mounting bracket provided in the box. Pretty heavy duty, metal, really nice. And here's the remote and two AAA batteries for the remote. And this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared. We have hotkeys on the top, pause play buttons for movies, D-pad. We even have Google Voice search here. Volume, program, numbers. It's pretty big actually. The remote is a full-size remote and it's pretty light. Great, not bad. Let's start with the ports. Some are on the side, while some are at the bottom. On the side are 3.5mm headphone jack, one USB port, AV input, optical digital out, antenna and one HDMI port. At the bottom are one USB port, two HDMI ports and Ethernet. The HDMI port supports CEC and ARC. This time I'm wall mounting the device. I think it'll look better. Let's see the build quality. The bezels on the side and top are super thin, almost negligible. At the bottom we have a 40-watt front-facing speaker that give you that cinema sound experience. View branding and golden border here. Dolby Audio logo on the bottom right. The TV comes with Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect it to your favorite headphone and enjoy a complete wireless audio experience. Let's have a look at the specifications. Quad-core CPU, Full HD IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 1GB RAM with 8GB internal storage. 40-watt built-in soundbar, Dolby Audio support, Android 9 Pie, Netflix, Amazon Prime app support. So setting up the device is simple. You choose language, country, enter Wi-Fi password, enter Google credentials, and you should be ready to go in a few minutes. We have booted to the Android TV OS, and the first thing we see, it comes with Netflix and Amazon Prime apps pre-installed. The interface is like any Android TV. It's smooth and extremely responsive. This is an IPS panel. Let's go to the settings and check the Android version number. There you go, the device is running Android 9 Pie. So let's see how the display performs. This is a YouTube video playing and it looks absolutely stunning. It produces bright images, the color reproduction is really impressive. Surprisingly, the blacks are also quite decent. The display supports a refresh rate of 60Hz, so the videos play buttery smooth. We don't have an exact number on the peak brightness levels, but they seem really good. Overall, the display is quite impressive, smooth, bright and sharp. Thanks to the IPS panels, the viewing angles are also excellent. When it comes to the performance, it's snappy and really responsive even with 1GB RAM. I would have really liked to see 1.5GB or 2GB RAM, but I guess it's a norm for all 43-inch Full HD smart TVs. This TV comes with 8GB internal memory and about 4GB is usable. Played 4K videos from YouTube, but it maxes out at 1080p, and that's because the display is just Full HD. This is done so that the videos don't lag. Here is the Netflix app. The interface is easy to use and very responsive. My favorite app when it comes to ease of use. Let's play a video. There you go, plays smoothly. You can also change the subtitles and audio directly from here. Very convenient. Just like YouTube, Netflix too will play videos at Full HD even if you have an Ultra 4K plan, because the display is just Full HD. But I'd like to say that I really don't see much difference. Looks almost as good as 4K. Also tested Disney Hotstar and other OTT platforms, and the content played without any problem. Alright, it's time to test the set-top box quality. SD channels and then HD channels. So here are the SD channels and they look really good. If you have an SD set-top box, the viewing experience is gonna be quite decent. Here are HD channels and this looks absolutely amazing. If you can get an HD set-top box, it will take your viewing experience to a whole new level. You can also plug in your pen drive to play content. Tried playing 4K videos, but 4K MKV videos weren't supported. Tried 4K MP4 and they worked absolutely great. Let's try Full HD. And there you go. Full HD videos played on the default media player like a breeze. Here's a quick another 4K MP4 video and it's playing perfectly fine. So it's fair to say all Full HD videos will play without any problem. Coming to the sound, so the TV supports Dolby Audio and I'm really excited about the sound experience. So first thing, we go to the sound settings. You can adjust the equalizer. Down mix mode can toggle from stereo to surround. Further down, Dolby Audio processing, you can turn it on. Change the sound mode to whatever your preference is. If you go to user, you can enable volume leveler, dialogue enhancer and surround virtual. Wow, that's amazing customization. So instead of music, let's play a movie scene so you can get the true cinema experience.
Been a long time, Dom.
So we're up against a master thief, assassin, high performance driver. Who is he?
Oh my god, easily the best sound experience with a built-in soundbar on a TV of this size. Easily the best. There are a set of 4 speakers, 2 tweeters and 2 main speakers. The bass is quite good, but don't expect a subwoofer kind of an effect. But it's really good. Mids, highs and the clarity is amazing. Oh, did I mention that they get really loud too? I could barely cross 50%. Also, because the soundbar is front facing, the sound is a lot clearer. This is truly one of the biggest plus for the cinema TVs. Great sound. The other thing that caught my attention was the mirroring app that comes pre-installed, and the best part is it natively supports Android phone and an iPhone. Yes, it works with an iPhone as well. Let's check the Android phone first and then iPhone. Let's open the app. Take your Android phone and look for mirroring or casting. There you go. Android phone is mirrored to your cinema TV. Kind of laggy but works. Let's move to the iPhone. Take your iPhone, go to the control center and click on screen mirroring. You'll see your TV's name. Click it. Your phone will mirror to your cinema TV. Wow, this seems decently smooth. Let's open the gallery and see. You can zoom pics. Really helpful. Just in case you were thinking, you can also mirror your iPad using the same procedure. The cinema TV comes with Google Play Store and there are tons of apps and games available. Many OTT streaming apps, productivity apps, all designed specifically for Android TV. Here is the game section and the collection is huge. Some need gamepad while some can be played with the TV remote. Here's a gaming demo. Works really smooth, no lag, no drop frames and easily playable with the TV remote. I will also do a detailed gaming review with the console and more installed games separately with the View Cinema TV. Watch out for that one. The Cinema TV remote comes with built-in Google Voice Search. Press the button and ask for the weather or whatever question you like. Ask it to launch apps. Here's a quick demo. What's the weather in Mumbai?
It's currently 86 degrees with haze there.
Open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So finally, if I had to nitpick the cons, I think it's only one. It supports only single band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Not that it's a deal breaker, but it would be great if it supported both. View has also launched another 32-inch View Cinema TV along with this. All the specs are exactly the same except that the resolution is 720p and it has one lesser HDMI and USB port. Rest is exactly the same, including the 40-watt built-in soundbar. Finally, coming to the price. The 43-inch View Cinema TV is priced at $21,999 and the 32-inch View Cinema TV is priced at $12,999. Wow, that seems like an extremely lucrative price considering they both come with 40-watt built-in soundbar. It's an easy recommendation for those looking for a small smart TV with a big sound experience. The TVs will be going on sale on 23rd of June at 12 midnight on Flipkart. I'll leave the links in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Also, I suggest you grab one soon because they go out of stock pretty soon. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if there are any questions regarding the View Cinema TV. If there are any feedbacks, they're most welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.